and by the power vested in me by the state of California, I now pronounce you husband and wife and present for the first time Mr. and Mrs. Terry and Carmen Jingles.
Hi, we're Carmen
and Terry. We're taking a break from the LA hustle and grind
and from our work in the film industry
to explore the world
and for an opportunity to expand our hearts and spirits nomadically.
Please join us on our journey.
We're so excited to share with you. So this is what we're doing day after the wedding. We are sorting through the U-Haul and all of these bins that were at the wedding. We're in the parking lot because there's room. A lot of bins are filled with trash. And are you kidding me? I bought way too many Hershey's Kisses and didn't put them out. Here's the 2 minutes. And yeah, there's Ajax over there emptying out the cooler. And the glamorous life of Terry and Carmen.
This is the glamorous side of the wedding, not the wedding itself.
Day after vibes.
Yeah. So beautiful.
A day in the life as the Kringles.
Yes.
Mr. and Mrs. Kringle. The Mr. and Mrs.
Exactly.
So we have the family coming to visit us at the park, doing the, the glamorous. Hi, my little sweetheart. Doing the glamorous part of the wedding. The most glamorous part. We're throwing away flower arrangements. We got. What do we do? What are you gonna do? This whole thing was packed, and now we've got other stuff. That whole bag of trash over there by that big trash can came with us in the bin. So everybody just started throwing stuff in the U-Haul. But yesterday we looked beautiful.
We looked great yesterday.
And glamorous. Today.
We'll do a picture of before and after.
But I'm still in love.
Yes.
With my best friend, my husband.
It's a lovely night.
Yeah.
What a lovely lady. Yes. Should we do it?
What are we doing?
Moving out here.
Oh, God, yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Okay.
That's a 1,000,000% yes.
Hell yeah.
Yes. Come over here. Oh, you're feeding me. I don't have a speech or anything. I just love you.
Oh, I love you.
I just love you guys so much, and I
Sweats.
Okay. I'll see you in May.
I'll see you in May. My little travel.
Will you come in May?
For her graduation?
And for her birthday?
For her birthday,
Yeah.
I just need the dates.
I'll give you the dates.
I love you, baby.
I love you.
Do you
so
feel good?
much. Yes, I do.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am. Are you
promise?
happy?
Oh, I'm so
promise?
happy.
Good.
I'm so happy.
Good. I love you.
I love you. Thank you guys for being so supportive and amazing. You're the best daughters.
Sick, sorry.
You're the best daughters in the whole world. And you were the best bridesmaids, daughters, giveawayers. I just love you.
I love you.
Thank you for being so happy for us.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you for loving us the way you do. And thank you for choosing us to be your parents. Long, long ago, before you even got here.
Of course. Love you.
Baby. I'll send you the dates. You promise you come?
If I can, yes.
Okay. Bye. Okay.
Thank you so much. And be safe out there. Have all the fun.
Too.
Bye,
Bye, Papa. Buggy.
Bye, Buggy. Love you so
I love you
much.
so much.
And have fun up there and be safe,
Thank
please.
you.
Finish
You too.
semester strong.
You too. I will. Thank you.
Oh. You got it. Wait.
Swing it around.
Come on, can you guys get closer, please? Because I'm having to do a lot of work. Okay, and get it.
Oh, there it is.
Bring it back. I love you guys. Girl dad. It's your last COVID booster.
I wasn't ready for it.
You weren't?
probably got that. Okay. Not that it hurt, but like. She's trying to look straight, and she didn't.
I'm looking at the KY ads and I'm like, that's funny. Oh,
That's good to distract.
yeah. I'm like, that looks like a sexy ad there. Right
That
by
one right
the
there.
KY.
Listen.
That's hilarious.
Why not? We are mailing our wedding license out. There it is.
Here it is.
This is one of our last errands before we go finish packing, and we'll be on the plane by tomorrow. This time.
Yes, we will. Yes, we will.
Yes. All right.
Just regular mail. You
Yeah,
track
just
it,
regular
right?
mail. Yep. I'm gonna record. That's my marriage license.
Yeah, you don't want to get it. So you sure you don't want tracking or anything?
There she goes.
Send a picture.
There it is. Thank you,
Your
man.
pin whenever you're ready.
This is the last visit with the grandbabies. Oh, look at her. She attacked her brother. With this house that's looking crazy. But I'm so grateful that I get to see these babies before we leave.
Can I do the thing, Jericho?
Cheyenne, and Mark, Alyssa, and Naya already left. We're doing all the, there's Penny. We're doing all the last minute things. What are you guys doing? What's your sister doing in your mouth? Oh, hi, sweet baby. Who am I? What's my name?
Honey.
Honey. I'm your honey.
Oh wow.
What is she doing?
Do you want her off of you?
You want her off? You want to take her off? Okay, I'll take her off of you. Zoe, you can't beat up on your brother. She's like, I want to though. I love you. Ah, you silly. What do you say back? Say, I love you. Oh boy. What do you want to tell me?
I love you.
I love you. I love you, honey. I love you, my sweet boy.
Everything's amazing. This is what you dreamed about. And it's happening. It's so happy. I love you so much. Oh, this is your journey. Yeah. Both of you.
Yeah, I'm excited. All right, so we're dropping the car off. I'm probably gonna upgrade when we get back, but yeah, that's it. Oh boy, Eugene came through in the clutch. Appreciate you, man.
It's an unknown location.
Yes, it's unknown. It's somewhere. It's the back cave. It's the back cave. Man, we appreciate you, man. Appreciate it. Yes, sir. Say our dear friend Tracy gave us a meal before we left. We haven't ate all day. And we're tired.
Tired and hungry
They're having-
and so happy, and that's the one who made it for
We're having
us.
dinner with our Lola family. Before we leave. Thank you, Tracy.
Thank you so much, baby. We're so grateful.
But it's only fitting our last stop is Lola. Yeah, I'm gonna miss this because this is like my family. So yeah. Let's go. Let's eat.
Oh, the Hawaiian rolls, come on. We're loading up the U-Haul. I mean, not the U-Haul. We're loading up the Uber. And we're getting ready to go. Yes. There's my best friend with desserts from the wedding coming to say goodbye to us. Hi, baby.
That's it.
We're doing it. Oh, will you put? Oh, that can go in the back seat, huh? Okay. Bye, Sasha. Where are you, Sasha? There you are. And there's some wedding dessert. My best friend. Hi, baby.
Hola. We are doing this. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, let's do it then. Love you too.
Okay. There's our luggage. We don't really travel light. I don't think we know how.
That's all Tina.
That is so not true. It's not. It's totally split in half. I have 2 big bags. He has 2 big bags. We both have backpacks and carry-ons. I was showing the suitcases. Okay, so you got the straps, baby?
Yeah, we want to separate them together and make it easier. We might not need to though, actually.
Okay.
We'll be all right.
We're doing all right. This backpack is super heavy. It's this 50-pound thing. It's really challenging, but we're gonna do this. Okay. Wish us luck. Just taking pictures of all our bags because we have had them damaged before and they asked for pictures from before. So here we go. Just make sure that everything stays nice and safe and beautiful because we got some of this luggage for our wedding.
Here, bags checked in.
We're all checked in. Only 2 were overweight by 2 pounds.
2 pounds.
But everything else was right at 50.
Yeah, we killed it.
We killed it.
Yes. You tired, baby?
Oh my God.
You ready for? You ready?
It's finally like all the months leading up to this, leading up to the wedding, leading up to this, have finally caught up to me. I am exhausted.
Yes.
I've not slept in months.
She hasn't slept or ate.
Really?
She started eating like 3 days ago.
This is true.
Yes. So we made it on the plane. Finally. I think we're gonna sleep most of the way.
Look what Terry did to our little bite-sized cheesecake snacks from our wedding. We tried to bring them on the plane, and I was looking for a little bag to bring them and keep them neat, and he shoved them in his bag.
She was looking for a bag with our Uber saying he's about to leave.
We had a pretty snack.
F them snacks. Let's go.
But they do still taste the same.
Exactly.
They're really delicious.
Exactly. Let's
We
go.
had lots of wedding desserts left over. People left before they had the desserts, and they were so
They're still at the house. We'll fix them up.
Go on.
Peace.
Oh, we got a no window seat. Thanks, Delta. So we just went through this automated border control gate, like an e-gate, and we didn't have to go through that crazy line over there to get checked in with the border control. Yeah, border control.
Yeah.
So, and it gave us this that you have to keep, and it says 180 days until July 2nd.
Pretty cool.
We're leaving in May, but that was so easy.
Super easy.
That was awesome. I love this new stuff here at Cancun Airport.
Now we gotta go find our luggage and our car.
Yep.
Yeah, but I have air tags on my luggage, and I know the luggage is here.
Ah.
Our bags. Gee, that looks awfully weird. Is it like an elephant?
It does.
Yeah. You weren't thinking elephant, you dirty. You dirty mind you.
No, I was. What you doing, babe?
I'm checking our bags. They're somewhere in that direction, right?
That's it.
They're coming?
3 of them. One's kind of dragging behind.
We have 3 of them coming?
Yeah.
There it is. There's one. So this is why we took pictures earlier. Our brand new luggage wedding gift is broken. So that sucks. We're gonna have to go make a report now. Hi. Hi. So this is brand new. We just got it for our wedding.
77's right here. That us? Hold on, okay.
Like, where were you at?
All right. There we go.
We're finally here.
Oh, I thought there was a photo.
We're finally here.
Finally here.
Having a glass of champagne. The transportation was late, an hour and a half, made us miss our dinner reservation.
Yeah.
But you know what?
Who cares? What are you gonna do?
What are you gonna do?
What are you gonna do?
What are you gonna do? Just like being late at the wedding. It was like, what can I do?
Still
I
got
can't.
married.
We still got married and it was
So
beautiful.
had a great wedding.
We got married.
Yep.
And now we're toasting each other. Mr. Jingles has beer. Mrs. Jingles has champagne.
It's only right.